Hi guys, welcome back to the our channel Narayan Learn English with Narayan. So guys, my name is Narayan and today's topic was Gemini. So guys, today I am talking about a random topic. That topic was Gemini AI. So guys, yesterday I discovered Gemini feature and my mind was blow up. I watched that feature, that editing, that was rendering, that was clearness, sharpness of the edited photos and video. I was totally shocked because of the Gemini edit. The photo was very real and I was edit so many photos in my face through any other location. That location was very good. Some photos I edit with horses and some prayers photos and some temple photo with my face I edited and was editing this. That editing was very good. And guys, I totally shocked that editing. The AI was upgrade and upgrade day by day, and they was also cover all the editing, all the website designing man's job. They cover all the job. That was true. So guys, now we are talking about some word power made easy, make easy word read. So yesterday I was read some pages, so now today I was read next page. So start here. So now today we are reading how adult stop building their vocabulary. Then eventually at some point in your adult life, unless you are the rare exception, you gradually lost your compulsive drive to discover, to understand, to know. Eventually there before you're gradually lost your need to increase your vocabulary. You need to learn the word that could verbalize your new discoveries, your new understanding, your new knowledge. Roland Gellert, in a review of Carloni Pet's book I Learned from Children, described this phenomenon as follows. All normal human beings are born with a powerful urge to learn. Almost all of them lose the urge even before they have reached maturity. It is only the few who are constitute that lack of learning become nuisance. This is perhaps the most insidious of human tragedies. Children are wonders in increasing their vocabulary because of their powerful urge to learn. They do not learn slowly by meanings of word, but as their knowledge increases, so does their vocabulary for word or symbols of idea and understanding. If you are a parent, you perhaps remember that crucial and typing period in which your child consistently asked why. The why is the child's method is finding out how many adults that you know go about asking and thinking why. How often to yourself to do. The adult who lose, they argue, who no longer feel that lack of learning become a nurses, stop building their vocabulary, they stop learning, they stop growing intellectually, they stop changing. When and if such a time come, then is Mr. Glad so slow truly say, this is perhaps the most insiders of human tragedies, but fortunately the process is far from irreversible. irreversible irreversible. If you have lost the powerful argue to learn, you can regain it. You can regain your need to discover, to understand, to know, and thus you can start increasing your vocabulary at the same rate as when you were a child. I am not supporting a theory. For our 35 year I have worked with thousands of adults in my college courses in vocabulary improvement, and I can state as a fact that without qualification that if you can recapture the powerful argue to learn with which you were born, you can go on increasing your vocabulary as prodigious rate. No matter what your parents' age, why age make little difference in vocabulary building. I repeat, no matter what your present age, you may be laboring under a delusion common to many older people. You may think that after you pass your 20 you rapidly and inevitably lose your ability to learn. Inevitably, this is not true. There is no doubt that the year up to 18 or 20 are the best period of learning. Your own experience no doubt bears that out, and of course for most people more learning goes on faster up to the age of 18 or 20 than even after, even if they live to be older than Methuselah. That is why vocabulary in now read next page in creation so rapidly for the first 20 years of life and comparatively at the snail's place thereafter. But and follow me closely. The fact that most learning is accomplished before the age of 20 does not mean that very little learning can be achieved beyond the age. What is done by most people and what can be done under proper guidance and motivation are two very, very different things, as scientific experiments have conclusively shown. Furthermore, The fact that your learning ability may be best up to the age of 20 does not mean that it is absolutely unless as soon as your 20th birthday is past. Quite the contrary. Edward Thorndike, the famous educational philologist, psychologist, found the experiments with people of all ages that all thoughts the learning curve rise separately up to 20. It remains stand for the last another 5 years. After the ability to learn, according to Professor Thorndike, drops very slow up to the age of 35 and drops a bit more but still slowly beyond the age and right up senility. The total decrease in learning ability after the age of 20 is never more than 15%. That does not sound, I submit, as if no one can even learn everything new after the age of 20. Believing me, the old show that claims you cannot teach an old dog new trick is a baseless, if popular, submission. So I repeat, no matter what your age, you can go on learning efficiently. So start learning once again. If perhaps you have stopped, you can be 30 or 40 or 50 or 60 or 70 or older. No matter what your age, you can once again increase your vocabulary at the prodigious rate, providing your recapture. The powerful argue to learn that is the key to vocabulary improvement. No, they argue to learn words are only symbol of idea, but they argue to learn fact, theories, concepts, information, knowledge, understanding. Call it what your will. Words are the symbols of knowledge. The key of accurate thinking. Is it any wonder then that the most successful and intelligent people in this country have the biggest vocabulary? It was not their large vocabulary it made these people successful for intelligent, but the knowledge, however, is gained largely through words. In the process of increasing their knowledge, their successful people increasing their vocabulary just as children increase their vocabulary at the tremendous phenomenal rate during those years when their knowledge is increasing most rapidly. Knowledge is chiefly in the form of word and form. Now on in this book you will be thinking about and thinking with new words and a new idea what each book can do for you. This book is designed to get you starting building your vocabulary efficiently and a jet propelled speed by helping you regain the intellectual atmosphere, the keen, insatiable curiosity, the powerful urge to learn of your childhood. The organization of the book is based on two simple principles. One, word are the verbal symbol of idea, and two, the more idea you are familiar with, the more word you know. So chapter by chapter we will start with some central idea: personality type, doctor, science, unusual occupation, race, action, speech, habit, insult, compliments, etc. And examine 10 basic words that express various aspects of the idea. Then, using each word as a springboard, we will explore any others which are related to it in meaning or derivation, so that it is not unlikely that a single chapter may discuss, teach and test close to 100 important words. Always, however, the approach will be from the idea first. There will be a teaser preview in which the idea are barely hinted at, then headline in which each idea is examined somewhat more closely. Next a clear detailed paragraph or more will analyze the idea in all its ramifications. Finally, the word itself, which you will meet only after you are completely familiar with the idea. In the etymology derivation of word section, you will learn what Greek or Latin root give the word its unique meaning and what other words contain the same or related root you will choose. So guys, today video end was here, and I was lot of meaning, lot of word pronunciation learned in this video, and my mind was reminding. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel to learn English with Narayan.